Want to create, send, and track invoices easily? Here's how to manage invoices in Zoho Invoice. Sign into your Zoho Invoice account and go to Sales, then Invoices. Click New Invoice to create a fresh invoice, select the customer or add a new one, then add invoice items including description, quantity, price, taxes, and any applicable discounts. You can also add terms, notes, or attach files if needed. After filling in all details, click Save to store it as a draft or send to email it directly to the customer. To manage invoices, open an existing invoice to edit, duplicate, or delete it. Use the Reports section to track payment status, overdue invoices, and revenue. Zoho Invoice also allows partial payments, recurring invoices, and automatic reminders to simplify your billing process. That's it. You can now create, send, and manage invoices efficiently in Zoho Invoice.